In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount code at checkout on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned online store owner or just setting up your shop, it's always exciting to offer discounts to your customers. Not only does this help drive sales, but it also builds customer loyalty. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're equipped to offer those great deals. First off, it's important to note that the presentation of the discount code option might vary slightly depending on the Shopify theme you've chosen for your store. Each theme has its own unique layout and design, but the process is consistent across all of them. So, don't worry if your checkout page looks a bit different. The core steps remain the same. When a customer reaches the checkout stage on your Shopify store, they'll generally see a checkout button as part of the final purchasing process. Go ahead and click on Checkout. This will take you directly to the checkout page where your customers can review their purchase and enter their payment details. Here, you should see a section or a field specifically labeled for a discount code. It might be tucked away within a drop-down menu or be more prominently displayed right on the page, depending on your theme. Once you locate the discount code field, it's as easy as clicking on it to make it active. Now, all you need to do is enter the discount code that has been provided, either in your marketing campaigns or directly to your customers. Make sure you type the code correctly and that it hasn't expired or been used already if it's a single-use code. Double-check the terms and conditions attached to the discount code, as these could affect the checkout process. This is an important step to ensure everything goes smoothly. After entering the code, simply click on the Apply button. This action will trigger Shopify's system to automatically calculate and display the discount on the order summary. It's a satisfying moment when you see the total price adjust, reflecting the applied discount. If the discount hasn't been applied, go back and make sure the code was entered correctly. And just like that, you're done. The discount has been applied, and your customer can proceed with completing their purchase at the new discounted rate. Offering discount codes is a straightforward way to add value to your customers, encouraging more purchases and enhancing their overall shopping experience. This process is designed to be quick and user-friendly, ensuring that every transaction is as seamless as possible. Remember, giving a discount is not only about lowering the price, but about building a relationship with your customers, encouraging them to return for additional purchases in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!